3, 2, 1.
Hi, beauties. Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel.
Okay. Redo it. Okay. Oh my god. My lips.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, beauties. Welcome back to our channel. This is like our 5th time doing it.
We drank a lot of wine.
Way to give it all away,
It
Rain.
was a bad day.
It was a good day.
It's okay, because look what we got. Peanut M&M's. Easter flavor. Easter themed.
Easter flavor. They taste like bunny rabbits and chicks.
Jesus Christ.
You went there.
The blood and body of Christ.
Jesus, you gotta cut that shit out. Okay, yeah, so we did bring a snack with us this time, if we can open it. These are cheese. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah.
If you're allergic to peanuts, don't eat
We
these.
apologize. I apologize.
Why are they on your side? Bitch doesn't like to share. Oh god, this is a bad idea.
Hold on. I got it. Okay. Also, along with our peanut M&Ms, we decided with a Apothic White Winemaker's Blend. I've never had it before, but I love Apothic.
Same.
So I figured, let's try something that's like a mix. It says it's refreshing blend with bright floral notes and vibrant flavors of peach and apricot that lead into a crisp bounce finish. Honestly, when they say flavors of peach and apricot, I don't taste any of that shit.
Same.
It just
tastes
tastes
like wine.
Alright, so good thing about it, it's a twist off, no tools required. So we're gonna twist this shit off. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it all fall out. Strip clubs and dollar bills.
Still
Got my money. Throwing shots. Let me get a refill.
Bitch.
Rihanna, call me.
We want your makeup brand.
No, I just want to sing with you. So like we start every video. Cheers.
It's good.
Ooh, I like that.
It's really smooth.
It is refreshing.
This
I
is
do have
really
to say,
good.
it is refreshing.
Yeah, I like
That's
that.
nice. I dig it.
I would totally. Okay. We decided we have all our makeup that we use for every single day, like for regular makeup looks.
Yeah, like our daily routine makeup. So
Yeah.
nothing like special, nothing like crazy. We're not doing like formal makeup or this is like every day.
We're not telling you how we're doing it. We have 5 minutes.
5
to
minutes
get as
to do our
much as
makeup.
we can done.
We're gonna set a timer.
Yeah.
And Rain has an advantage because she has like a really nice mirror that's like a
Really
stand
nice.
mirror.
This is my mom's old mirror.
But I have to hold my mirror.
Well, I don't have another one for you.
Anyway, I should have brought it, but I forgot. So anyway, so we are literally going to time ourselves for 5 minutes and see how far we can each get in our makeup routine. And we're not explaining what we're using. We're not going to explain what we're doing. We're just probably going to just talk randomly throughout it. And probably laugh and
act like
idiots the whole time.
I also want to say I don't have lipstick on. My lips are stained from a lipstick I was wearing today. So this is what it is.
I also don't know where my phone is. Hold on. So, we're going to set it for 5 minutes. When do you want to start?
I'm ready when you
Okay,
are.
so we have nothing on our face. We have no primer.
Nothing.
We're literally starting like from the bottom and we're gonna work our way up. And we're gonna drink and eat while we do it.
So we decided we're gonna play a power hour video from YouTube with music, and every time the song changes, the way you play power hour is you're supposed to take a shot, but we're going to take a sip of our wine while we're doing our makeup, and we're gonna do it in 5 minutes.
Alright, so I'm gonna use this because it's YouTube, so I gotta use this. I don't even know. Can you set an alarm on this?
I don't have one.
It's late 2000s.
Hey man, hey, what you doing, homeboy?
You ready?
Yep.
Ain't nobody around, man. What's up with the hell? Where's all the people at, man?
start.
Start now.
What the hell is wrong with y'all? Are y'all insane?
I'm an animal.
Every day, they've been shuffling. Monday shuffle, Tuesday shuffle. Everybody. The whole world. I ain't scared of
Yours
Oh my
comes
God, my
out
face is
quick.
so red.
Yours comes out so quick. Mine's empty.
Also, my shade's the wrong color, so I gotta put it all the way down.
Oh my god. I can't even get any of mine out. I should have got more foundation when we were writing.
What is this song?
There we go. I feel like, look at me. You're like farther than me.
I'm breaking out a heat rash.
This is not going to be full face. This is going to be
No.
whatever coverage I get.
Oh yeah, this is not even like. I don't even know. Does this music ever change?
I don't know. Watch it never does.
Oh my god, I'm rubbing too hard so my like everything's look at my face.
Thank God we're not working this out.
Oh, drink.
Wait, I'm missing a palette. No. Oh no, where is it? My Kat Von D palette's gone. Okay, I guess I'm not contouring. We'll just use whatever's left of my brush. I'm like, where's my palette?
Dude, we literally have 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
What? Okay. Like, where's my palette?
I don't know.
I'm so lost. I look like shit.
I feel like should we do a 10-minute one?
No, we're going. Keep going. My brows are gonna look horrible.
That's even if I get to my brows. Drink.
My bitch.
Oh, I'm gonna look like Kesha when I'm done this.
Same.
Oh my god, we have less than a minute.
What?
A minute 51 actually, it's more than a minute.
Jesus Christ.
And I gotta do it down here because I'm not the same color.
Oh god, my eyebrows. They look like Groucho Marx. Oh my god. We're dangerous right now. Oh.
At this point, I'm not even using them.
This is horrible. If I have 5 minutes to get ready, no one invite me out. Oh my god. Drink. Don't waste your time on
51
choking,
seconds.
bitch. Oh my god. Wow. Never looked horrible. This is how clowns do their makeup.
Since you're not even using that, I have to use this.
Whatever. We're not winging it today, people. And I'm not doing false lashes.
Oh, this wing looks like I did this on Wait, I'm pulling Kesha right now.
We are.
Timer done!
Oh my god.
Look at my winged eyeliner.
I feel like I'm in 7th grade again. I don't feel like myself at all.
Can we just look at me? I look like I'm hungover. And I woke up from the night
Your liner!
Oh my god, should we try this again? But in like not a longer version. Like
A longer version?
like 8 minutes.
No.
No?
This is what we got. This is who we are in 5 minutes.
I look like I do when I wake up the next day
Yeah.
and then wash my makeup off.
And then you FaceTime.
I also have a heat rash on my neck.
Why?
From the anxiety of doing
Oh
this.
my god.
Mixed with the wine.
Well, look, I have lipstick on. I don't even have to put it on.
You look way more better than I do. I tried to do a wing. Can you look at this eye? Look at this shit. I was way overachieving. And you did your brows?
Yeah. They're not cut, but they're filled in.
Look at my eyeshadow.
I'm dead. It actually isn't that bad.
It's not that good either. Alright.
It could be worse.
Well, neither of us could do our makeup in
5
5
minutes.
minutes.
I couldn't even find my one palette. And like on a real note, if that's lost, my whole life is lost.
You're good. We'll
I
find it.
can't live without my contour.
We'll find it. It's probably like right in front of you and you just don't even realize that. Sorry. I didn't do it. I didn't take it. I didn't
Lou
sabotage
took
you.
it.
Look at me. I sabotaged you. I sabotaged myself, if anything.
Look at this little flaky flake.
Alright, well if anybody knows how to do, oh my god, I just broke this. A good makeup routine in 5 minutes.
Let us know.
Let us know.
Because
I'm like-
clearly, I mean, I could go out like this, but then people would never believe me that I did makeup. I'm a makeup
I could go
artist.
out like this and people would think I'm Kesha.
Literally. There's some glitter on you.
I do have glitter on my eyes,
Ugh.
along with this awful... I really thought I nailed
is
this
horrible.
wing. I really did. I really thought I nailed these until now I see them.
I mean, like, this one's not horrible if you don't look close.
But
That
I'm also,
one-
I'm so red because I was so... Look at this. What is this? Dark smudge.
We look great.
All right, well, this was our challenge. And it was quick-lived.
Thank God I have like an hour to get ready in the morning and not 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Because I would show up to work looking like a crack whore. Facts. Minute challenge.
Yeah, I guess.
And then we could do like... Yeah, I guess.
Excuse me while I throw my temper tantrum. Okay. You gotta cut all that out. Alright, beauties. Cheers.
Cheers.
Like, subscribe, and follow us on all of our social media.
Yes, please.
We love you and thank you for your support.
Thank you for always
Mwah.
watching.
Yep.
Mwah. Love you.
Cheers.